Hey guys, what is up? Let me stop what I'm watching. Good afternoon. Oh my goodness. Don't wash the hair. The hair is a mess. The time has come. It's our last day here today. So we are packing. We are packing up to get ready to go overseas. Yeah, our trip was very short, but you know, we just gotta do what you gotta do. Like, I'm going to miss my home. Like, this is my home.
I found a baby.
Hi! You always finding baby. Hi, cutie.
More butt! Dumpling. Come on.
Look at you and Dumpling head. You guys' head is matching. Actually, his looks better than you. Oh my goodness.
His name's Onito.
Dumpling.
Come out. Nope.
Dumpling.
So guys, that is what is going on. We are packing. As you can see, the beds are a mess. Oh, let me go turn it off. Oh, and we are cooking the last supper. This is our last supper. I'm gonna miss all this healthy food. I tell you that much. Oh, I am definitely gonna miss all this healthy food. Gosh, this is always the depressing time. So this is always the depressing time, is when leaving, because out of all of us, the five, none of us want to leave. So we're packing. We have some stuff that we're gonna leave. Well, obviously this is our home, so that is what we are currently doing. I just woke up, took a nap, had a busy day, and yeah, I had some last minute laundry that the kids them still need to fold, that they have not folded to put away as yet. So that is what's going on. And look, on the last night that we're here, Memphis is cooking. Wow. Yes, guys, Memphis is actually cooking. We'll see how it tastes.
It tastes good, actually.
Won't we?
Nice, can you put in the cool?
His laugh is so cute. Watch this. Ready?
Staring.
Ready? Dumpling, look here.
Oh, make sure the slow charging.
He's like, Fate, you're such a weirdo. Tell him. Say, Fate, you're such a weirdo.
I was.
Say, Fate, you're such a...
Oh, say hi. Say hello.
Dumpling, say hi.
He's staring at you.
Say hello. You say hi to everyone? Huh? I say hello to everybody. You child. I would say it, but I'm not going to say it.
Mommy,
Both
you're
is my husband.
Yeah, TV.
So, yeah, guys, that is what is up. Mario is currently out there. I'll bring you guys out to show you what they are doing in the shop. They've been out there all day. So he spent his last day pretty much working, and we still have so much to do. I gotta get this place organized. I gotta get some stuff done. I was doing errands earlier today. I ended up in town. Oh gosh, I had so much things to do, and there's still stuff that we need to get that we haven't got, but we can get that tomorrow because we have a late flight. So that is the deal. This one's already crying. Hello. Stop trying to measure up yourself to me.
Watch me do that.
So, yeah. Oh, look, you want...
The first time I saw her, I thought he was a girl. I'm like, oh, she's so pretty.
Ooh.
Look.
You
She's so fluffy.
and hi, little man. Are you gonna say hello? Ooh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Why you seem so racist? Is it because I'm dark? Oh, she's like... Oh gosh. Yeah guys, so that is what is up. I'm gonna organize, make sure this house is clean, spotless before we go. So that is what I'm currently doing right now. So we're getting this place,
he's like, what are you doing?
in order. Can you get from behind me? Like this one, just because he's taller than me now.
Yeah, I'm
so
taller like her right now.
No, you're not. Get off your tippy toes. So that is why you guys always see him. When you see him in the back, he's always trying to measure up. Because before I used to look down at him, and now like he's at eye level.
I'm taller than you.
But don't worry, I'll still get him back a chair and yeah, I'll still get up there. You're never too old for a good ass whooping. But oh, you want to test those waters? So guys, yes, and so that is what is going on. And Happy New Year. I am so horrible. Yes guys, Happy New Year. I hope you guys are enjoying your new year. And so far we are off to a good but yet sad start, because well, the sad part is we're going back over. The good part is things has been going good. The new year started off great, so I cannot complain. I'm alive, I'm healthy, and my family's well, and we're all doing good. So that is one of the greatest part that there is. So yeah, that's what is up for now. Guys, look at this guy, this one on top of the house top. Eh? Jump! Eh? Yeah, actually jump. This one's the daredevil. He loves. Most of the time when we can't find him, he's on top of the house top. He climbed the tree to get up there, because the ladder is on that house. So, or he jumped from over there, go down. Watch it. Huh? Watch your balls. Eh? These are the things that he loves doing. That's why I love the field life. Oh look, you can't even see the field over there.
No, so that's actually stuff up my jump dude.
Look guys, the puppies them are out. You see how cute they are? Hello little tubby there. So these are two and the other two are over here. But next time we come out here, they will be probably as big as their mom. No. Yeah, no say hot boy no drink bag juice. Eh? Yeah, say hot girl no drink bag juice.
You're not hot number because you cut off my head.
What do you mean you're not hot number so I cut off your head? If you cut off your head, you couldn't talk. Oh gosh. Tell me how I took this guy to go to the barber shop the other day.
My hair this low and I do not want it.
Right? What do you mean? You've been to school, yeah, you've been to your school fully bald. Bald. You had a low fade. So this guy got all emotional after I cut his hair. Hide out in the house almost for like a day and a half. Because he's upset that his hair got cut too low. But the last time he went and got it cut, he didn't cut it how I told him to get it cut. So
and you still did not cut it the way I wanted.
I guess this is his punishment.
And I never got it the way I wanted it last time.
Hello, you did. So, and his hair grows like a weed.
No.
Yes, it does.
3 weeks for me.
3 weeks? No, it doesn't, Memphis. Your hair grows too fast.
My hair 2 days ago. I said by the time we leave, it go grow back. What is?
When me say me cut your hair 2 days, I say go grow back. No. Really, Memphis? Your hair don't grow. It grows fast, but not that fast. So he's all in his feelings, yeah. These kids nowadays, the simplest things, they're all up in their feelings. Well, sorry for him. So we are going to go see what the guys them have been doing so far. They've been very busy. So it looks like, oh, they're getting a lot of work done. What? A mess though. But work's getting done, guys. Still needs to be paint and stuff. Unfortunately, we won't be here for the finishing touches. Yeah, it's well behind, but at least it's done. Okay guys, so I am still here packing. As you can see, it's definitely less suitcase than we came with. So I have those two over there and this one here.
5 suitcases, 1
And I got the carry-on over there packed up.
Don't drop, honey. There's enough paper, Lania. There's a Sharpie.
Look
Don't
at
take
this
you
one.
with him.
Thank you.
Drop on
You say bye-bye, Lani Bo. You won't see me tomorrow.
What is that?
No, she won't see me tomorrow. Here, take this.
Lid.
So, look. So I got a little stowaway here. That's decides she's going to Canada with us.
You wanna come get you, Lania?
Lania, you can't wear that. You're gonna be cool.
Look.
You need
So
pants.
she decides that she's coming to Canada. So she makes sure she put herself in the suitcase.
You wanna go in there? Yeah,
So that is too funny. So yeah, I'm doing last minute packing. Oh, it's just crazy. The time ran out so fast. So fast. Oh shoot, I still have these shoes to pack. I still have all Mario's shoes to put away.
Have to put weight, mommy, and I'll bring a ring light.
No, that one's staying down here.
Just in your room.
The ring light's staying here.
Yeah.
So that is what we're up to. I am currently uploading a vlog for you guys right now. Oh, the lighting is horrible. No.
Mommy, Abidia, go be the person here.
Yeah. There, much better lighting. See, this is why ring lights come in handy, because the view, the lighting is on point.
People,
so
me head that hurt me. Me gonna miss them, man. Nobody now gonna miss you. Me never ask you. Me never gonna miss you. Me never gonna know you're still alive.
Look at these two. They're gonna miss each other. They're going to miss each other.
We already cry and fight already.
Yeah, they were in the bathroom crying together.
Oh yeah, Tabo, not a shed, me not tear. Not a tear, me not shed.
Exactly. This one is determined to go.
Lania, go on, nice suitcase, come lock you up. Go on.
She is determined to go.
Sit down.
So I guess we're gonna have to put some holes in there. If we get pulled over at the airport, you guys know why.
First I know this is really love, cause baby me feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.